Hello guys, today we will see how to add keyboard shortcut to iPhone keyboard. For that first we will have to go to settings, then go to general, then scroll down and you will see a keyboard option here. Go to keyboard, click on text replacement. Here click on the plus icon to the top right. Here write any phrase that you want that should be replaced. Say if I write how are you, and I want this to be replaced whenever I type HRU. So just click on save. Now we will see whenever you type HRU, you will see that there is a suggestion that it says that do you want to replace this with how are you. Just press space and then it will be replaced with how are you. Okay, that's it. Here one of the cool tricks that I use is I have saved one shortcut with @G, and whenever I type @G, I will get a suggestion of @gmail.com. So many times I want to write my email ID, so that time it is very handy for me.